It's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. How you doing? Okay, what do I want to say? Promised some crazy quilt videos, and now it's time to deliver. So this is my sister's wedding dress pieces, and I'm going to make 2 pillows. I am not sure that's hers, but I think I threw it in there because there wasn't a lot of what's the word I'm looking for? Contrast. So we'll see what happens. I have 2 15, I think they're 15 inches. Oh, this one's only 14. No, 15. Yeah, 15-inch. These things. This one bigger? No, I think. Man. Again, I am so out of practice. I don't even know what I'm doing. So, 15-inch squares of muslin that we're going to build on. Now, should I do like that? Let's play and see what happens if we do it in one big piece. This is the bodice of her. Let's take, now I can use the good scissors. Okay, I want to take it from here. And I am impatiently waiting for all my boxes to come from North Carolina. Postman gonna hate me. I told Angie yesterday, I'm like, you're gonna hate me next week. I got 7 boxes coming. She goes, I won't hate you. I'm going on vacation. I said, well, somebody gonna hate me. And let's take that. I think this is from something, the veil. We need that. So I'm making one for Juju and one for Paisley. If we do like that, and that can be our centerpiece. Should I turn the iron on? Iron is on. This is the seam. Now, is that, I think that's why I threw this in there, because it's a heavier satin. And of course, I will be embellishing. That had some boning in it. Okay, let's put that. This is different. Put that like that. Okay, this I can put, or should this be in the middle? This, no, I think this can go with that sleeve. Like that. Okay, this is harder than it looks, y'all. This can go like that. Piece of this for Paisley. So, okay, this is here. This. Oh. What's on this part of the sleeve? Okay, after many, many weeks, this is where I'm at. This is one block. One block. This is 4 blocks. So I'm going to embroider with white on the seams. So when I get that done, I'll be back. Okay, I have the embroidery on it. This one's going to be my sister's, and this one is her granddaughter Paisley's. Let me go grab the envelope. I meant to bring it in with me, but no. When my sister's mother-in-law died, she gave me a bunch of her stuff, and this was in it. So for those of you who can't read cursive, it says, pearl buttons used on Phil's black velvet suit he wore when 3 years old. Try to use them. Mom. November 1973. These are the buttons. So these are her great-grandfather's buttons off of his little black velvet suit that he wore when he was 3 years old. And I didn't put none on my sister's because she threatened me. I'm just kidding. No, really, she did. This is what I've chosen for the backings. Hello, Look how beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I need 2 of these. And you know how I'm always falling into things? Yeah, I fell into a bunch of pillow forms. I mean, seriously? Yeah, I'll take those. How much you want for them? Oh, they're free? Yeah, I'll take those. Wait, go this way with it. But wait. I hope this is big enough for that other one. Oh, well, they will be because I don't need the hole. Okay, so this one is Paisley's. I'm going to get rid of selvage. Had a scare with my car. I went to work Monday. My friend Rose came over and we were going to go to Goodwill and Costco. And the muffler suddenly got very loud and it freaked me out. But I took it today and it only cost me $75 to get it fixed. It was a flange. A flange rusted out, he said. And it's very common in an older vehicle like that. So I was like, woohoo, I'll do it. I'll do it for that. Fix it, boy. Okay, so this goes with this one. This one is bigger. She didn't remember these. I'm like, them are on your veil. The Dance of the 7 Veils. Okay, I'll come back when I get them sewed. You have seen me sew an envelope back a couple of times. Just look for the word pillow in my videos and you'll probably see me do it. Okay, we have the completed pillow covers. Ugh. My sister's and Paisley's. I don't know, I didn't sew those buttons on very aesthetically pleasing, but it is what it is. So look at the graphics on the pillow form. This one didn't have a date, but this one did. 1986. I'd say that's in that era also. I have new old stock. How about that? I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna put you up here. Okay. Under penalty of law, this tag is not to be removed except by the consumer. I hereby call myself the consumer. I identify as the consumer. I think I have one size bigger down there if I need it. Or I could just, this could be for example only, illustration only. Whoa, I heard that. Hello, beautiful. Okay. Get the Raggedy Ann and Andy pillows. Remove the tag. Fluff up the pillow. Insert the pillow. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Judy, if you have any of Donna's brooches left, a really simple gold one would look really good right there. Or whatever you have, a diamond one. Don't give her a diamond yet, but you know. Anyway, that's what you can do with the wedding dress after you cut it up. Why wouldn't you? Come on. All right, thank you. See ya.